Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bak penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Presiden Rangba kaseng United Democratic Party bedang syuda bam semai kumu menteri sarkar batamai laong ba kajing bujeli menteri na kaseng UDP kadai kat kum kajing menjorlang jong ka parti khanang babaro kinyo ya kabenta ban ya samlang ya kajingkit kli uba medba ulong ba hadin kani kajing bujeli menteri kamshem ladon kanu kajing ya paj Henry ka parti kalong kawai kumba julong uba medba bad uba lakman rembui kedai ki arngot ki MLA ka parti UDP ki badang syuda bam semai kum ki menteri hakajaka jong uba polling do bad uba kerman syala halor kajing bamon uba pol syayeng ulat hakasi bam semai uba medba lingdo ulong ba lesi udan hapedeng kajing bunkam namar ba kadai kasi bakhadu jong u kum minister bad ula ban bunkam hapo office uba lakman rembui pat ulaong ba upriang bait ya kanu ka tanat teri kamru kat ba menteri rangba ibet ban bensyad ya ban ba ya kalingkor kum menteri sarkar namar ba kathong hi kadai ban teri nakabenta upaj ba kat ba uba sostina sotun pat ulaong ba kajingsa ji jong kum menteri sarkar kadai kara jong menteri rangba Konrad ki sangma bat kani kala penkemen ya ki MLA ka NPP na ribhoy haba uyo ya kani kala.
So for me, whatever the portion I hold, there is no difference at all.
Are you looking for education again?
That I cannot say right now because for the portfolio, it is the prerogative of our Honorable Chief Minister. Whatever responsibility he entrusts upon me, I will try to do justice to it and try to deliver so that to fulfill the aspiration of people as much as possible.
2.5 months or 2.5 years is not much. How do you interpret that?
See, it is not the question of 2.5 years. The MDA government since 2018 have working very hard to transform, to reform, and to give the assurance to people that there is a government who try to look in all aspects for the betterment of the state. Yes, there is always some challenges, but we are all coming. So I'm not talking about 2.5 years. I'm talking about this 2018 till date. The government, MDA government, try its best to give to the people in every field. So this 2.5 years also is a continuation to improve, and we have to learn in these 7.5 years what we are doing and what we will do in these 2.5 years.
Well, we have to move ahead. We all have to be with the Chief Minister and to continue with the journey of MDA too, and that is what we have to do right now.
What is the reason for dropping the polling and Kurmanshila?
There's no reason of dropping anyone. It's basically sharing of responsibilities. I think that is the right or appropriate approach as far as my personal opinion is concerned, which is being expressed by all the elected members and party as a whole. So it ends up there.
But there was no agreement, 2.5 years sharing.
Oh, see, we never had any kind of agreement, never in the past also. So there's no need to go with that kind of agreement, as you said.
So you all had a series of meetings, especially the parliamentary party meeting was very, very crucial. Was it easy to convince people, or was it?
No, you see, it's not me to convince people. It's basically me as a president. I have to seek the opinions of all the stakeholders of the party. So I think for me to convince someone, I think that will be unfair. As the president only, I think I have to take the mind of everyone, which the conclusion part of it is basically we share the responsibilities accordingly. To be very clear, as of today, which I believe that even in the future also, that party as a whole, we are one. There's no division, there's no whatever you say. So we are united as one, and we will continue to be as united as one. Iba pli minta kasi ketika singi ke ba khadu na kalian ju ikut minister so idang don katu kan ki kam ki ba kerki ki ba hapan pendap apa office So ita kalau kau ini kita bayi macam nak poi ni dan driver kan long ya dia jadi yes how
ka baningkong soban pau ya ka jing songo yu blay nong bu nong thau ya ka jing kerku yang ai ka jing kesam ko jungi bat kerpang ya ki pat ba jong ka constituency bat ya ka district hi baro huai bat kumju ya ka jelah hi baro huai te ngasoban pau ya ka jing khublay bat ka jing songo ya Honorable Chief Minister jungi Sir Conrad K. Sangma ubala shim bat ubala jiet ban penrung lang yang hakene katup jong ki minister aso ban ai ke jing khublay ke karpang bat kumju ro ngapan pau ya ke jing khublay ya ka party hi borokowai nadu ka state adu ka district adu ka block nang ta kumju ro ngapan pau ya ke jing khublay ya ka yeng ka sem imei nangta ki men ki para ki bahayeng ki pasam baro nangta haga juko poru ngapan pawe ka jukblay ki perlok emily naga temri boy ki balaya snok tilang ki balaya don lang banya sendan lang asoban pawe ki jukblay ki baro bat ngasgo ban pen pauru ki jukblay ka ngamla soban ong ya ki paiba jong ka jirang konsensi kerpang kiba daga jingit daga jing shania kila bencet yang bensim mekanikal lengkor kumu Emily but hak juga por bakil IT nak benta bangan kit bangan ba ya ka konsensi but bang poi sekene ka kerdan hak ba nakaliang Honorable Chief Minister ujiet yang aban yadon bentalang ban kit ya ba ban long kum tau minister hak cabinet kaba i Honorable Chief Minister ialam nang tang penpauru ya ke jingplay baro ki balaya don mentah ki balaya ai ke jingkersan ki ba ai ke jingshania yanga nag mentah ban kit ngan ba ya ka kam kum nong mikmat bat kham tam haken ke sngi ke karpang ngaso bangamla su banong dakumoi pat ya ke burom ke bakrau agaba laben set nga ya ke dikelingkor kumu minister dengan penpau ya ke jingkublay paro bat ngis kem ba hagene ka sien ka bamata kalanang penbun susu ya ka ki activities le ki kam ki jam ki bangan haban ya menta kanum kentup su tang ya ka constituency hendai kan kentup ya ka jelah hibro kuwe dengan ngis kem ling ba ka saindur ko jongblay kajing kerku kajing blay ngait skamba isala ban pentelun ni kakam ban yadon betalang kumno ila ban penbha na beta ban kentiu hagu bidai bat ki consensi beper ki badan haga jelah kajing berowai bat kerpang ru ya ka consensi ka bai ka banga represent ya kajing consensi kajing jet ya ban long minister kadai haga haga rai kajong honorable chief minister ki perlok naga Temri Boy ki perlok Emily naga NPP ki sokemen bat kiawan ru banya senran lang te ki sokemen hadu kata-kata nomor ba ngai ki sunpenmi ka kerteng ba kerteng jonga balong kumu minister ki sokemen hadu kata-kata kita wan he banwan banya senran lang te kamnum don kum kono ka jing sngo nak lan ki henry da ka jing sokemen bani tray lang nam taban kentiu ke district ko be jonga haka senchar khadar ya ka bansawan ginom la banong henry ke jingkermen hi nakaliang jungi kum kinong mikmat kalong bangin hab ban tray bha ya ka constituency ke bangi represent nang ta kumu Emily bat kumju menta kumu minister hab ban tray bha ban pej ban kit khya ba nam ta ka state hi baro koi haka bidai bat ka constituency ke jungi tengi dei bat ka midon ke border ba Assam hoi ka jinge iki constituency ki paj ba he kamnum dei tang border area ka jinge jungi paj ba ki bun hamal lagi constituency ki ndo tama kerpang ha constituency ke jungi nomor ba pilih ba ki nomor gidon ha ka border ke ba 70-80% na banong dan border ke Assam te kidon sibun ki ki ba ka expectation la ke jingkerman na ki ba la kalong ka roy ka par la long ka connectivity kumbong tinong way ka lenti sengkin ka ba ki ba kidon kam te yekini paro nakaliang junga kumu MLA nadu bang syajit usnam ajakat pra ila persangkat pala kumno ban ringdur ban Perak syaka sorkar segi department ki fair nak mentah hagbede bat ki connectivity khamtam nomor ba ka konsensi jungi ke de konsensi sekendong hakaba sibun ki jinge bat ka konsensi ke bayan ki jingruna ki babun te kata ke labun bun snam naka district ke jungi ngi klemyo minister te kalalong ka jingkemen bat ka kandairu ka lingkor hakaba laben set nga bat nganang la susu ban nang ay ka jing sekri ka babha na ka benta ka konsensi bat kumju na ka benta ka district ka bai ka jungi bat kumju nam ka jela ka jungi kata ka de ka thong ka ba khmat ka bangangan hapan ay ka jing sekri na ka benta ki pai ba bat ngasuru ban penpau ya ka jing saukumen ka ba ki parlok baro na ka thamri boy na ka konsensi klai phone nga haru ki yo kubot na soban penpau ka jing saukumen ya ka support ya ka jing kasan ka ba maki kila ai